What is up, Bougiful people? I'm excited to bring you another new video, sneaker unboxing review, you know, on the, check the title below or above, I don't know, wherever you're looking, on the A Cold Wall Nike Vomeros. And you know, I'm just excited because I actually like this shoe a lot. You know, I'm into that whole dad kick sneaker game thingy, and then, you know, it's just got that chunky piece. You'll see what I'm talking about, but let's get into it. So around the box you get Nike checks on both sides. Checks, silver stripes, plot twist. There is stripes. This side actually has my shipping label and on top, so I'm not gonna leave that in the video. What's different is, compared to my previous video on the Nike Mochas, the tape said just do it. This one just has the stripes. I don't know if it's because it's a Cold Wall collab, but yeah, y'all let me know. All right, so opening up the box. This is exciting. You get your airbags to secure it from moving around in the ship. Taking out the box, shipping label, nothing else in the box. The box actually is the same as the Supreme Nike, you know, the one with the flames? I forgot what it's called, but the Spectras, Zoom Spectras. Same box and everything, just without the Supreme labels around. On this side you got Nike. On the top, Nike in all black. Can you see that? Box label says Nike Zoom Vomero 5, ACW, USD 200, a Cold Wall, 9.5, sizing, style code, etc. Opening up the box. What is exciting, fam? I'm gonna take out the whole thing just cause. Wrapping paper is just regular white wax paper with the Nike swooshes and the logo. Ooh, this thing is spicy. Oh my goodness, this is different, man. Definitely different. Check that out. All right, hold on, give me a second. Let me just take both of them out. Aw, yeah, boys. This is what I'm talking about. Nothing else in the box. All right, I'm gonna bring the camera closer just so we can get a better look at it. All right, so working with the left pair, as you can see on the outside of the shoe, you got the Nike swoosh, transparent, translucent look. At the toe box, you do have ACW, you know, the infamous logo, mesh uppers with some, what is this? I don't know if it's 3M, I don't think so. Rope laces with metal aglets, as you can see. The laces on here are like a grayish kind of like, oh, there's a 3M line going down the tongue right here. This is 3M. And but as I was saying, the laces kind of has a grayish white vibe. Clear tongue. Nothing on the tongue. On the inner side, got a black line. Not like this side, you got the ACW, but this is the inner side. Nike Zoom on the midsole. And cushion on the other side, right next to it. A little down. The caging on here is crazy, if you can see that. It's like caged. This is nuts, dude. Alright, now for the crazy part, the back, it's a portable charger. Now I'm playing. Check out the back though, just a fat block that says ACW. Look at that. That part is crazy, dude. It's on there pretty good. It's not removable or anything, not that I think so. On the inside it says A Cold Wall. And the shoe size tag is behind the tongue, so just for those who want to know where the shoe size tag is, because it's usually on the sides, right? This one's on the tongue, behind the tongue, the original way. Let's work with the right pair real quick, because on the right pair you have extra laces that come with it. So this one's straight up white. It's a white cream. As I said, the regular laces on here, it's a rope, grayish white. And you know what I like about it? It's super thick, like it's a tactical, durable kind of lace. And then this is a softer one. I don't know if you can tell by the texture. And then you got a burgundy. What is it, burgundy brownish? Actually, it's a browner. Yeah, it's more on the browner side. Oh yeah, actually, dude. Yeah, even the insole. So real quick, but extra spare laces, a brownish rope lace. And the sock lining and everything else, like, it's all brown. So in the pictures, I thought it was gonna be burgundy, maroonish, but it's a brown, and it's a nice touch, really it is. I'd rather have it brown than burgundy. Or actually, the burgundy would do good too. But, you know, it's the same as the Mocha 3s, so yeah, check that out. Got a video on that, shameless plug. And then on the back of this block is a Nike swoosh. So, two different signs. Dang, these shoes are pretty chunky, dude. I didn't think they were gonna be this big, because in the pictures they look small, but it's actually a really good size. For the inside of these, it also does say a Cold Wall. Only difference is the back, really, on the blocks. I don't know what this is made out of, but it is a plastic. You can hear that? Bottom soles, man. All in all, dude, the quality for these are sick. It does have ACW on this side too for both shoes, so, you know, I want to double up, but I don't know if I want to, because it does have a high price tag, $200, but it is dope. You know, it's something unique, something you don't really see. Like this right here is super different. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did. Follow me on the gram. Enjoy your holidays. Happy Merry Christmas. Yeah, that's it. Appreciate y'all. Peace.